Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? So in today's video we're doing something out of the blues, like something that you wouldn't even catch me doing, honestly. Guess what? I have taken the honors to sacrifice my eyebrows. For what? For castor oil. So when I bought this, the box that came with it says that it also helps in growing your eyebrows, and I said okay, I'm going to try it. And guess what? That means I have to shave my eyebrows, bro. I'm going to shave my eyebrows and just apply this. Don't worry, you might be asking yourself, so you'll be walking just bare on your face. I'm like, no, I prepared myself. So while I'm in the process of applying castor oil every day, I'm going to be using three things. I'm going to be using my eyebrow tattoo, these eyebrow tattoo stickers, or eye pencil. If I'm not feeling the sticker that day, I use eyebrow eye pencil. I just draw the eyebrows on my face. And the best of all, this one. This one is so cute. I bought it in AliExpress. It's also like an eye pencil, but it is more defined. Like, look, see that? It's best for lines, like just drawing lines. I can't do it, I can't focus right now, but you see the two lines. Yeah, I can also use this to draw the eyebrows. So for this one, I bought it mostly for like when I'm using my eyebrow thing, this eyebrow sticker, and it's starting to fade off, because this one lasts about 3 days if you don't put too much water on your face. That's when I'll be using this to just do a retouch. So in this video, we're only going to be focusing on using castor oil on my eyebrows. Here's a quick disclaimer: I am not here to come and tell you shave your eyebrows. You are here to witness me shaving my eyebrows and my eyebrows growing using castor oil. Okay, clear? So if you do decide to do this, well and good. If you do decide to do this, fine. If you do decide to shave your eyebrows, it's your life, that it's you, it's upon you. You get me? It's upon you. So I'm not here to come and say you guys need to shave your eyebrows. No, you can still use the castor oil with the length of your eyebrows, but I personally prefer to shave my eyebrows. Yes, I know I have thick eyebrows, but bro, I want thick eyebrows. You know who's, honestly, there's this influencer who has the best eyebrows. To me, I love his eyebrows, and his name is Brett Manrock. Oh my god, he has nice thick eyebrows, bro. So that, to me, I feel like if I shave my eyebrows, they'll be thicker, they'll grow more. So we'll see. I still love my thick eyebrows, so yeah, let me shave my eyebrows and I'll be back. Or let me just shave my eyebrows. You see me shaving my eyebrows. Oh my god. The last time I shaved my eyebrows was in 2018, I remember. That time I had a fungal infection on my face. That's why I was forced to shave my eyebrows. But good thing, I wish I knew this earlier. So yeah, let me shave my eyebrows now. I promise you, I am a very sane person. So don't start thinking, oh my god, what happened to her? She lost her brain. Yeah, so let me start shaving my eyebrows. Oh my god, they better grow faster. Yeah. I'm dramatic. Oh no, let me use a mirror. I don't want to use the camera mirror. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no. Yes, no, yes, no. There's no going back. There's no turning back. Give me a minute. I've done this before, so am I panicking? Oh fuck, bro, am I serious? Okay, I'm serious. I've already started, so there's no going back. Oh my god, what? No one is going to see me. I'm not meeting up with my friends. Oh my god. Okay. Finished. But a good thing it's just eyebrow, so it will grow back. Not me comforting myself, it will grow back. Which I still know it will, but I can't believe I'm doing this, bro. Oh my god, I'm never doing this again. Ballsia in the house. Oh my god, no, babe. But as long as my eyebrows get back thicker. What? Oh my god. Oh. One thing I like about this is that at least when I use an eyebrow pencil, I know my eyebrows will not look neat. And I'm done. Now my forehead is more extended. I know I look funny right now. Damn, I look funny. This is how I normally look versus when I remove them. Yeah, so I'll just be using eyebrow pencil. No, let me just do this because, babe, no, you're not focusing. I'm going to be using this or eyebrow pencil. So without further ado, let me put the eyebrow stickers and I'll see you guys. Hopefully they look as natural as possible because baby. Huh. Are you guys ready for the moment of truth? In 3, 2, 1, you guys. Ta-da! Look. It looks bare here because obviously I've shaved, but look at that. The eyebrow tattoo sticker thingy. This one, I don't know what happened, but this one looks so good. My eyebrows look like as if they got microbladed. There's no difference. You can't tell that I'm fully bald or something, but they look good in person. Wow. They look natural on me. It's just that normally for my natural eyebrows, I have more eyebrows at the front. That's why it kind of looks weird here at the center, bare and shit. Yeah, but honestly, looks like my eyebrows got shaped and twisted right, like as if I got microbladed. So yeah, this is what the purchase. This is going to be a lifesaver. And guess what? I just used castor oil to apply it, and it gets rid of shine. And this, yeah, I'll just be applying castor oil on top of this. I don't need to wash it off. And this thing lasts for like 3 days. Look at that. You can't even tell I've shaved my eyebrows. You can somehow tell, but on camera you can tell I shaved my eyebrows, but in person they look natural. It's just that at the front it doesn't look like my natural, but good thing I have this, and I don't think I'll be using it. I'll just stay like that. Yeah, thank God I bought these eyebrow stickers. So from now on I'll be applying, and I'll be updating you guys after every 3 days, since this eyebrow sticker lasts for 3 days. Every time I remove the eyebrow stickers, I take a picture and you guys get to see it. Yeah, so for those that are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am not insane. I'm totally sane in my head. My lobe is okay. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Yeah, so there we go. Can't believe I just shaved my eyebrows. Anyways, wait, pause, look. You can actually think I have the eyebrow sticker on. So today is officially 30 days of putting castor oil in my eyebrows, and look, I'm actually shocked. Normally when you shave your eyebrows, they grow within a period of 2 months maximum. 2 months. By 2 months is when you have full. But look, it's like I can even end it here, but I'll see. I'll think I'll continue one more time. Yeah, just for it to get a little bit more thicker. But this 30 days, not bad. Not bad. I expected more though. I was hoping maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you get? But it's not bad. It's really not bad to give it a try. Like, even look at that. My eyebrows are back. I even forgot about the eyebrow sticker, honestly. I stopped using the eyebrow sticker on the 2nd week. That's when my eyebrows were looking nice and grown. Yeah. So 30 days down. I'll give it more time until maybe it gets even more thicker. Then I show you guys how long it took for it to get so thick. So guys, 5 days later, and I can officially say my eyebrows are back. Like, literally. I don't know why my camera isn't doing justice, but look. My eyebrows are literally back to its normal appearance. And honestly speaking, my target in this video was not to do 1 month. No, my target was to do for a duration until my eyebrows fully grows back. And as we can see, it has grown back in a month's time, which is totally fast, honestly. And I remember when I had shaved my eyebrows years back, it took like literally 2 months. 2 months, 2 months, you get 2 months. It was so long. I was like, why are my eyebrows not growing? But honestly speaking, the castor oil has literally helped me to grow my eyebrows super fast. And I don't know, for some reason the camera isn't doing justice, but I feel my eyebrows grew more thicker. Yeah, I normally don't have thick eyebrows at the end, at my tails, but the way I used castor oil, now my eyebrows are much fuller, you get me? Yeah, so I can highly recommend. No, wait, don't get me wrong. As I said before, I am not here to tell you to shave your eyebrows, but I am here to recommend you using castor oil to grow your eyebrows. The exact length you're at, grow your eyebrows from there. Just apply the castor oil. But if you do decide to shave your eyebrows on your own without my consent on your own, just know that it will grow your eyebrows faster. That is if you do decide. Yeah, it was really fun being bald. Like for me, I had eyebrow stickers. I think I'll post the video for the eyebrow sticker after this, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And without further ado, we can call it a video. Yeah, castor oil is the one, not only for your hair but for your eyebrows too. So without further ado guys, I'll see you in my next coming video, and always remember that good things take time and trust the process. Bye bye guys, take care of yourselves.